Hi there, my name is Hayley Mermelstein. I'm the founder of Tongue Ren Chakra Balancing, and this is TRCB Tuesday. Welcome. Tongue Ren Chakra Balancing is a healing technique that utilizes a doll and a hammer. We're going to be tapping on each of the 7 chakras for the purpose of releasing blockages in each chakra and promoting healing of the entire body, mind, and spirit. The doll is only an energetic representation of whomever we're treating. So the doll can represent myself, it can represent you. In this case, it's going to represent whoever is listening to this video or watching this video. And the doll really helps us to focus. And it can feel a little strange the first time you tap on a doll and a hammer for healing or see it happening. But if you understand that the doll is an energetic representation, then it starts to be kind of natural. Anyway, welcome again. Today we're going to be focusing on embracing our unlimited nature. We're going to jump right in, and you can sit back, you can relax, you can tap with me if you like, or you can just be in the energy and let the tapping and the words help to align your chakras and help you to be the best that you can be. Crown chakra. I am open and expanded. I expand my idea of what is possible. As I expand my idea of what is possible, I help to bring it in. I am open and I am expanded. I am unlimited. I am unlimited. I am unlimited, and I am connected to unlimited source. And there is a place within each one of us that is unlimited. There is a place of unlimited light. There is a place of unlimited wisdom. We are eternal. We are infinite. Connect with this place of unlimited potential now. Connect with your unlimited nature now. I am unlimited. I am unlimited. I am unlimited. I am eternal. I am infinite. I am vast. I am radiant. I am unlimited. I am unlimited, and I am connected to unlimited source. I am unlimited, and I am connected to unlimited source. And so once again, feel your unlimited nature. Connect with that part of you that is unlimited. Know that what you focus on comes forward. And so as you focus on that part of you that is unlimited, you help to bring it forward. I am unlimited and I am connected to unlimited source. I am unlimited and I am connected to unlimited source. And continue to feel your unlimited nature now. Sit in that part of you that is unlimited. Invite that part of you that is unlimited to come forward now. I am unlimited. Third eye. I am filled with unlimited wisdom. I am filled with unlimited wisdom. And connect with that part of you that is wise, and invite the wisdom of your spirit to come forward now. Our spirit is our true self, it's our enlightened self, it's our best self. It's the spark of divinity that lies within us. And so again, as we focus on our unlimited nature, as we focus on our spirit, we help to call it forward. I am filled with unlimited wisdom. Throat chakra. I am filled with unlimited power. I am filled with unlimited power. And I use my power for the good of others. I use my power for the good of all of humanity. I am filled with unlimited power. Heart chakra. I am filled with unlimited love. I am filled with unlimited love, and I radiate my love out into the world. I am a being of unlimited love. Solar plexus. I am a being of unlimited acceptance. I am a being of unlimited acceptance. And again, acceptance is not the same as complacency. Acceptance is the first step. When something arises, you can embrace it with acceptance. And then the second step is to ask, given what is, what am I to do? But when you accept what is transpiring and do not resist what is transpiring, you can more easily access your clarity and can respond appropriately. I am a being of great acceptance. Identity chakra. I am a being of unlimited creativity. I am a being of unlimited creativity. I am creative and I am expressive. I am a fountain of creativity. And base chakra. I am a being of unlimited humility. I am a being of unlimited humility. And the base chakra, part of the base chakra, is about embracing our human limitations. And so while our spirit is unlimited, we also are human. We are human and we are spirit, and our human self does have limitations. We have limitations of time, of energy, of money. And so we want to now integrate both the spirit and the human. And so we want to now honor and embrace our human limitations as well. I embrace my human limitations. I have limitations of time, energy, and money, and I honor those limitations. And kidney 1 for peace. And so take a moment now and step once again into your unlimited nature. There is a place within you that is unlimited. There is a place within you that is vast. There is a place within you that is eternal. Connect to your unlimited nature now. Feel the unlimited nature that lies within. And at the same time, honor and embrace your human limitations. For you are human and you are spirit. And so honor the limitations of your body, honor the limitations of your time, of your money, while at the same time embracing your unlimited nature. And as you focus on your unlimited nature, what you are capable of will grow. What you focus on comes forward. And so as you both honor your human limitations and acknowledge that part of you that is unlimited. What you are capable of will expand. And so embrace both. Honor your human limitations, while at the same time acknowledging your true unlimited nature. And as you put these two together, you will come into a deeper alignment, and what you are capable of will grow and expand. And so affirm frequently, I honor my human limitations, and I simultaneously embrace and acknowledge and call forward my unlimited nature. And so now let's just focus on that part of us that is unlimited. I am unlimited. I am unlimited. I am vast. I am eternal. I am infinite. I am wise. I am powerful. I am loving. I am accepting. I am creative. And I am filled with humility. I am unlimited. I am unlimited, and I open to unlimited source. I am unlimited, and I open to unlimited source. I am unlimited, and I open to unlimited source. So once again, you want to embrace your unlimited nature while simultaneously honoring your human limitations. And in this way, you can come to a greater balance and live your full potential. Actualize your full potential in everyday life. Thank you once again. I'll look forward to seeing you next Tuesday. If you'd like more information, you can go to the website, www.trcbhealing.com. Put in your name and email address, and we'll send you our chakra balancing CD, which will further enhance the balancing of your chakras. Also, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel. All right, thank you and have a great week.